In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order in Shopify. Canceling an order is something every store owner has to do from time to time, whether it's because a customer changed their mind, there was a payment issue, or an item is out of stock. Knowing how to do this properly helps you keep your store organized and your customers happy. So let's walk through the process step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, you'll land on your Shopify dashboard. This is the main control center for your store where you can manage products, customers, analytics, and of course, orders. Take a moment to orient yourself if you're not on this page already. From the left-hand menu in the dashboard, look for the option labeled Orders and click on it. This will open a list of all the orders your store has received. You'll see order numbers, customer names, dates, and statuses such as paid, unpaid, fulfilled, or unfulfilled. This is where you'll choose the specific order you want to cancel. Next, find the order that needs to be canceled and click on it to open the order details page. This page shows everything related to that order: the items purchased, quantities, prices, customer information, payment status, and fulfillment status. Before you cancel, it's a good idea to quickly review this information to confirm you're working with the correct order and understand its current state. Once the order page is open, look towards the top of the page for a button or drop-down called More Actions. Go ahead and click on that. This menu contains additional options for managing the order, including the ability to cancel it. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Cancel Order. When you click this, Shopify will open a confirmation window. This is an important step because it lets you review what will happen when the order is canceled. Here, you may see options related to refunding the payment, restocking items, and sending a notification to the customer. Carefully check these options and make any adjustments you need based on your store policies and the customer's situation. When you're satisfied with the settings and you're sure you want to proceed, click the red Cancel Order button. Shopify will process the cancellation, apply any changes you selected, and update the order status accordingly. That's it. The order is now canceled, and your records will reflect that change.